Patek Philippe is back with a new collection and with their new 2022 models. Big colors, lots of diamonds, and vintage-inspired styles define the brand's latest collection. Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to look at the new models of Patek Philippe. But before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for further updates. 5,326G Annual Calendar Travel Time. For the first time, Patek Philippe combines its patented annual calendar and the travel time system for the display of a second time zone. The dial is distinguished by its charcoal gray color with a black gradient rim and a slightly grainy texture reminiscent of antique camera cases. 5,226G Date. Sweep. Seconds. Patek Philippe reinforces the iconic Calatrava collection in vintage style with a new refined case in white gold Luxe with a hobnail pattern or Classe de Paris on the entire circumference of the case band. The charcoal gray vintage-inspired dial features a black gradient rim with its slightly grainy texture reminiscent of antique camera cases. This new model is powered by the self-winding Cal Caliber 330 SC equipped with a stubbed-up second section. 5,320G Perpetual Calendar. The contemporary vintage style of the reference 5320 Perpetual Calendar is reinterpreted in a new white gold version with a roll-gilt opaline dial. The calendar displays one of Patek Philippe's signature perpetual calendar layouts, with a twin inline double-day/month aperture at noon and a date hand surrounding a moon phase aperture at 6 o'clock. The 40mm case is distinguished by an understated and timeless design enhanced by refined details such as the three-tier lugs. The sapphire crystal case back reveals the architecture and refined finishing of the self-winding Caliber 324 SQ. 5,172G Men's Chronograph. Patek Philippe reinforces the vintage spirit of its classic men's chronograph with a roll-gilt opaline dial bearing applied gold Arabic numerals and charcoal gray syringe-shaped hands highlighted by a luminescent coating. The white gold case is distinguished by its round Yulake pushers and three-tier lugs. Entirely designed and produced by the manufacturer, the CH-29 535 pounds caliber combines traditional architecture with 6 patented innovations. 5,270p Chronograph. Perpetual Calendar. Heir to an iconic Patek Philippe model, the reference 5270 Perpetual Calendar Chronograph has a new face that is both classic and original. The gleaming radiance of platinum accentuates the timeless design of the case with its concave bezel and two-tier lugs. The lacquered green dial with its black gradient rim evokes the bodywork of some of the finest vintage racing cars. The stylish touch is complemented by a shiny black alligator strap with green stitching. The CH-29 535 pounds Q caliber, the first perpetual calendar chronograph movement entirely developed and produced in-house by Patek Philippe, 2011, is distinguished by its traditional architecture combined with 6 patented chronograph innovations, as well as by its exceptionally slim calendar mechanism, only 1.65 millimeters for 182 components. 5,205R Annual Calendar. Moon Phases. The reference 5205 Annual Calendar with day/date/month apertures along an arc is revisited in a contemporary olive green color, enlivened by a sunburst decoration and a black gradient rim. The rose gold case is distinguished by its concave bezel, recessed sides, and skeletonized lugs. The hand-patinated two-tone olive green alligator leather strap matches the dial color. The patented annual calendar displays the exact date for 30 and 31-day months, requiring only one manual correction per year. The sapphire crystal case back reveals the self-winding 324 SQA LU24A caliber with its ingenious patented Patek Philippe annual calendar mechanism. 4910/1224 Manchette Quartz. The 20-4 collection welcomes a new steel manchette-type model adorned with an olive green sunburst dial, an elegant, contemporary, and refined shade, accompanying every hour of the day and night. The original shape of the Art Deco-inspired cambered two-tier rectangular case is highlighted by a row of 18 top Wesselton pure diamonds set on either side of the dial, 36 in all, totaling 0.42 CT. The bracelet with its 3 rows of fully hand-polished links is distinguished by a particularly comfortable construction. 5,230p World Time. For the first time, Patek Philippe is presenting the reference 5230 World Time in a platinum case, teamed with a blue dial and cowskin strap. The dial center, showcasing fine craftsmanship skills, is adorned with a new circular hand guilloche pattern that plays with light. The ultra-thin self-winding 240 hue caliber with its 2-city and 24-hour rotating discs serves to keep simultaneous and permanent track of the time in all 24 time zones. Thanks to an ingenious mechanism patented in 1999, the user can simultaneously correct all the world time displays in 1-hour increments by simply pressing the pusher at 10 o'clock. 5231 G World Time. Rare Handcrafts. The reference 5231 Rare Handcrafts World Time sets sail for Oceania and Southeast Asia in a white gold version featuring a dial center adorned with a new Grand Feu cloisonné enamel map. Thanks to its city and 24-hour discs, the ultra-thin self-winding 240 hue caliber enables the time to be read off in all 24 time zones at any given moment. The case with its fine, smooth, polished bezel and wing-type lugs is paired with a matte navy blue alligator strap secured by a white gold fold-over clasp. 7130 World Time. The famous Patek Philippe World Time model is available in a new ladies' rose gold version with a timeless green dial and cowskin strap. The dial center is adorned with a finely hand-guilloché old basket weave motif. The feminine touch is enhanced by 62 top Wesselton pure diamonds, tilde 0.82 CTS, set on the bezel. The ultra-thin, self-winding caliber 240 hue simultaneously displays the time in all 24 time zones. An exclusive patented mechanism enables all the indications to be corrected with a single press of the pusher at 10 o'clock when changing time zones. 5374/300p minute repeater. Perpetual calendar. Haute joaillerie. Patek Philippe reinterprets the design of the Ref. 5374 grand complication with minute repeater and perpetual calendar in haute joaillerie version. The platinum case and bezel are paved with baguette-cut diamonds. The flames with baguette-cut diamond minute markers and baguette-cut blue sapphire hour markers forms an amphitheater around the blue lacquered dial. The self-winding caliber R27Q is equipped with cathedral gongs emitting a deep, rich sound. Total of 228 baguette-cut diamonds, 11.62 CTS, and 13 baguette-cut sapphires, 0.72 CT. 7121/200G Ladies Moon Phases. A popular complication on ladies' watches, moon phases appear in a new interpretation featuring a classic round white gold officer style case, framing an elegant blue sunburst dial and fitted with a shiny blue alligator strap. The jewelry touch is enhanced by a double row of brilliant cut diamonds, tilde 1.09 CT, set in a staggered pattern according to the exclusive dentelle setting technique. This celestial jewel houses the manually wound 215 pounds Lu caliber, the smallest complicated movement by Patek Philippe. And we are now at the end of our video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Tell us in the comments section which one you love the most. If you enjoyed the video and want to get future video updates from us, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.